How's it going, everybody? Here's my 1967 restomod Chevelle. This was a show quality frame off restoration. This car is absolutely gorgeous. All the chrome's in perfect shape. Billet parts everywhere. .383 dyno at 375 horsepower. Billet hood hinges. AC and heat works great. Ceramic coated long tube headers. Full serpentine setup. It's definitely not one of the cheap ones. This has QA1 tubular A arms with QA1 adjustable coilover shocks all the way around. CPP big disc brakes with Rushforth 18-inch wheels, and I have a choice of Boy Condington 2-piece wheels. I'll have pictures of both. Full custom interior, power leather, power windows, not power seats, sorry. Outrageous sound system in it. Disc brakes on the rear. 12-bolt rear end. 700R 4-speed automatic transmission. I have two big booklets of receipts on the car. All the drip rails are really clean. Real nice fit and finish on this car. Gap lines are next to perfect on it. Give it a fire up. Navigation unit, Bluetooth auxiliary, all the hookups. AC controls right there. All the gauges work correctly. Billet pedals. Let me give it one more walk around while it's running. Big Rick's tank. No overheating issues. This car is built to drive anywhere. Alright, give me a call, everybody, at 916-856-7931. Thanks.